Hello, it's Pamela with TechTALK Live. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how to add bookmarks in Google Chrome. On my screen right now, you're looking at my personal bookmarks. And for me, some of these bookmarks are just not in the right priority. And there's one particular Google bookmark that I'd like to add to Chrome that's not here. And many of you may have the same issue. So here's how we add another bookmark. Let's take this Google bookmark right here. Right-click on it with your mouse. Go down to Edit. Click Edit. The Edit Bookmark box comes up. So I would like to see my Instagram page here. So we'd have to add the Instagram URL. And that's instagram.com. And I'd like my personal. So I / and add O natural aroma. Please follow me over on Instagram. Save this, and you'd notice it populates. And if I were to click on this bookmark, it should open on my Instagram page. Oh, natural aromatherapy. And there it is. If you like this video, please subscribe to my Instagram, like this video, share with your followers. But let me show you something else. This is a bonus. So I've edited my Google tab, but I want to add another page there. And of course, it's not going to be the same page. Let me add that Google page back. So Google. And the URL would be google.com. And again, we have to save. And there it is. That Google page has been re-added. And I'm clicking. Left click on that Google page, and there it is. I can go anywhere on Google from here, my search page. Okay? Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like, share, subscribe, and of course, comment below this video. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.